Hi friends, today we are going to unbox this new slime and be learning how to make slime of this kit. We ordered it from Flipkart. If you want to purchase this, there is a link down below in the description. So let's start. We have got some glitter and some glue, slime activator, some paint, color painting and phone, and this cup. Let's start how to make it.